Okay, look, your life is a mess, you're busy, you're trying to save money, and frankly, your dinner game is a zero. But tonight, we're changing it with one vegetable and about $4. This is plate perfection. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos on simple Halloween,
Make a creamy soup out of it.
I try to repurpose pumpkin in any kind of way. Let's fire it up. You need 1 kg of pumpkin. I just keep it portioned in the freezer. 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 cubes of butter, broth, some cream, salt, pepper, and a handful of thyme, plus a secret hint of cinnamon. Chop your garlic and onion so they're ready to go. That's all the chopping you need today. Grab your pot, heat up some butter, and drop in your chopped onion and garlic. We are sautéing, and this is where the flavor is built. You want that onion translucent. Not brown, not crunchy, but meltingly soft. Patience is key here. Cook for about 4 minutes until you can smell that sweet, garlicky heaven. Now for the bulk. Toss in that cubed pumpkin. Cook it down for a solid 3 to 4 minutes. The goal here is to coat every single cube in that butter and garlic. This little caramelization on the edges is what stops your soup from tasting like a holiday candle. But here's the move that separates amateurs from plate perfectionists. Toss in your fresh thyme right now, not later. It blooms in hot fat and spreads through the pumpkin before it gets drowned out. While it's doing its thing, let's talk toppings. We are using split almonds. I need to know, what is one ingredient you secretly add to your soup to make it better? Drop a comment below. I need to know your secrets. Now, pour in the broth. Enough liquid to just barely cover your pumpkin. Crank that heat, cover it up, and let that liquid gold simmer for 20 minutes. The pumpkin should surrender to a fork with 0 resistance. That is the texture check. If it's firm, you wait. If it's perfect, it's time to move on. Grab your immersion blender or a regular blender and blend this whole beautiful mess until it's silky. Now for the finale. Transfer the blend into a pot and stir in that heavy cream. You can use half and half if you're trying to be good, or coconut milk, but honestly, heavy cream is what gives it that rich personality. Finally, season. Salt, pepper, and that whisper of cinnamon. Taste, adjust, and taste again. You are the final authority. Now it's time to grab your bowl and serve that rich orange velvet. Sprinkle with your almonds and serve it with a crispy slice of toast. This, my friends, is a 2-step, $4 dinner that tastes like a million. If the simple perfect plate convinced you that I know what I'm doing, hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes that upgrade your life without emptying your bank account. We drop new video every single week. Don't miss it.